Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 3-inch 76mm tank hybrid wet and or dry pad. This is a tool that has a very good life. It removes very coarse metal scratches, leaves a very subtle scratch pattern, doesn't become sacrificial and wear out fast. Works on light and heavyweight machines. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 3-inch 76mm 10-seg grinding disc. These are long lasting. They take out heavy scratches, leave a very nice uniform subtle scratch pattern. Great for soft concrete, great for rotary and heavyweight machines. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have a 7-inch 175mm T-Seg concrete wheel. This is probably going to be the most general purpose wheel, great for all sorts of different applications. So it does remove material faster, it has a longer life due to the segment height, and it's very durable. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium double button 40 grit medium bonds. Now this comes with the tapered edges, so it's great for machines like Lavina's or anybody who has a drive plate that is able to take the tapered edge style tool. This tool is considered premium, has a very heavy concentration of diamond. It lasts longer, grinds faster. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium half bar cap cutters. This is made for cutting into really hard concrete. Let's say a trowel has made it super tight when they troweled it, and you just can't cut into the latency or the cream. This tool will cut right into it. It has a great life, leaves a great profile. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have NewGrind magnetic adapters. Now, for the guys who want to retrofit their Rhino grinders, these adapters will definitely help you save at the end of the year, and it'll make your machines way more efficient versus what they currently are. So if you want to start saving money, message me now.